Secrets you need to know as a driver. Most drivers think they've got it all figured out until their car breaks down and their wallet cries for help. The truth is, there are things every driver should know, but almost no one talks about. Stuff that could save you hundreds in repairs, extend your car's life, or even keep you from making dumb mistakes on the road. So in this video, I'm giving you 12 driving secrets that separate the smart drivers from the clueless ones. Secret number 1 will literally pay for itself the same day you try it. So stick around for that. Starting with secret number 12, the hidden gas cap indicator. That tiny arrow next to your gas pump icon on your dashboard? It points to which side of your car has the fuel door. No more awkward 3-point turns at gas stations or looking like a tourist in your rental car. This feature exists in most vehicles made since 2000, yet somehow flies under the radar for millions of drivers. Small detail, but it saves you from looking clueless every time you fill up. Secret number 11 is the DIY headlight restoration hack. Those yellowed, foggy headlights aren't just ugly, they're cutting your night visibility by up to 70%. Skip the $100 plus professional restoration and grab regular toothpaste from your bathroom. The mild abrasives in non-gel toothpaste work magic on oxidized plastic. Apply a good amount to each headlight with a microfiber cloth. Scrub in circles for 5 minutes, rinse, and watch years of damage disappear. For longer-lasting results, finish with a UV sealant. Your night driving just got exponentially safer, and you saved $100 in 5 minutes. Secret number 10 is the instant windshield defogging technique. Sitting in a car with fogged windows while late for work should qualify as torture. Here's the fix. Crack your windows slightly, turn on the AC, yes, even in winter, and direct airflow to the windshield. The science works. Cold, dry air from the AC removes moisture, while the temperature equalizes from the outside air. Fog gone in seconds, not minutes. Want to prevent it altogether? Wipe your interior glass with regular shaving cream, then buff it off. The invisible film prevents condensation from forming in the first place. Military pilots use this trick on their visors. Those $20 anti-fog sprays? Complete waste of money. Secret number 9 is the emergency key hideout. Your fancy key fob has a hidden mechanical key inside it. Look for a small button or a slide mechanism. Press it, and out comes an actual metal key. Most newer cars hide their keyholes under a plastic cap on the door handle. Pry it off gently with the mechanical key to find the keyhole underneath. This matters when your fob battery dies or electronics fail. AAA charges up to $150 for lockout service, while replacement fobs cost $200 to $500. Finding that hidden key just saved your wallet and your day. Secret number 8 is the transmission reset trick. When your automatic transmission starts acting up, jerky shifts, delayed response, weird RPM jumps, dealers salivate at the repair bill heading your way. Try this first. Turn off your engine completely. Press and hold the gas pedal all the way down for 15 seconds. Release, wait another 15 seconds, then restart. This forces your transmission control module to reset its adaptive learning patterns without any special equipment. The computer starts fresh, often resolving minor shifting problems instantly. Dealers charge $150 plus just to connect a computer and do basically the same reset. Works on most cars made after 2005 with electronic transmission controls. Secret number 7 is the tire pressure optimization secret. The PSI number molded onto your tire sidewall? Ignore it. That's the maximum pressure the tire can handle, not what your vehicle needs. Check your driver's door jam sticker for the correct number. Now for the real trick. In winter, add 2 to 3 PSI above the recommended level, staying under the maximum. Cold temperatures lower pressure, and slightly higher inflation compensates perfectly. This tweak improves winter fuel economy by 2 to 3% and extends tire life. Just readjust when temperatures climb again. Before moving to the top 6 secrets that'll save you serious cash, take 2 seconds to hit subscribe. The algorithm gods demand sacrifices, and that little red button is cheaper than a check engine light. Plus, I'm about to show you how to avoid thousands in unnecessary repairs. Seems like a fair trade. Secret number 6 is the blind spot detection hack. Skip the $2,000 blind spot monitoring package on your next car by adjusting your mirrors properly. Forget whatever your driving instructor taught you about seeing the side of your car in the mirrors. That's dead wrong. Instead, adjust your side mirrors outward until your car just disappears from view. This creates an almost seamless visual field between your rear view and side mirrors. When a vehicle leaves your rear view mirror, it immediately appears in your side mirror, and when it leaves your side mirror, it's visible in your peripheral vision. This setup eliminates roughly 80% of typical blind spots without any fancy electronics. Racing drivers have used this setup for decades because it works. Secret number 5 is the dead remote start technique. Your keyless push start doesn't work with a dead fob battery? Wrong. Hold the actual fob directly against the start button, then press. Most vehicles have a small RFID reader in the button that can detect the fob's chip even without battery power. Car manufacturers don't advertise this feature, but it works in almost every push-button start vehicle on the road. This trick has saved countless drivers from being stranded when their fob battery died miles from the nearest store. Works in Toyotas, Hondas, BMWs, Fords, pretty much anything with keyless start. Secret number 4 is the hidden secret menu in your car's computer. Car manufacturers build diagnostic modes into every modern vehicle that show real-time performance data and unlock features they don't tell you about. In Toyotas, hold the trip meter reset button while turning the key to position 2. In many GM vehicles, press the temperature and radio buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. For Ford, press the brake and gas pedals together while starting the car. These menus reveal everything from battery voltage to oxygen sensor readings. Data mechanics charge $100 plus just to access with their scanners. Your exact combination varies by make and model, but check enthusiasts forums for your specific vehicle. You just gained access to the same information dealers use to justify $1,000 repairs. Secret number 3 is the fuel-saving driving technique called pulse and glide. Professional hypermilers use this to squeeze 30% plus better fuel economy for any vehicle. The method? Accelerate moderately to 5 to 10 miles per hour above your target speed, the pulse. Then shift to neutral and coast, the glide, until you drop below your target speed. Repeat this cycle. This minimizes time your engine spends in its least efficient stage, constant acceleration against resistance. Tests show average drivers save 15 to 20% on fuel using this technique in city driving, with hybrids seeing even higher gains. That's roughly $400 yearly for the average driver. Just practice this safely in light traffic before trying it during your daily commute. Your wallet will thank you. Secret number 2 is the emergency brake fluid substitute. If you're stranded with a brake fluid leak far from help, cooking oil can temporarily replace brake fluid to get you to safety. Brake fluid is specialized hydraulic oil, but in a genuine emergency, vegetable oil can work as a short-term substitute. Pour it carefully into the master cylinder, pump the brakes several times, and drive cautiously to the nearest shop. This won't provide optimal braking and will eventually damage rubber seals, but it beats being stranded in the middle of nowhere. This knowledge could literally save your life in remote areas. Your mechanic will hate that you know this, but they'll hate even more that you didn't have to pay for their tow truck. Secret number 1 is the hidden recall checker. Car manufacturers might owe you thousands in free repairs right now, and most drivers never claim it. Visit nhtsa.gov and enter your vehicle information number, or VIN. In seconds, you'll see every open recall for your specific vehicle. These repairs are legally required to be fixed, free by your dealer, regardless of your car's age or warranty status. Recent recalls cover everything from transmission replacements to complete engine rebuilds. Repairs worth $2,000 to $8,000. One viewer discovered 3 open recalls on their used Honda and received $4,300 in free repairs the next day. Dealers count on you never checking this database. Prove them wrong. Check your VIN today. Takes 30 seconds and could pay massive dividends. For surviving to the end, here's your bonus secret. Adaptive cruise control works better in traffic jams than on highways. Most drivers only use adaptive cruise on open roads, but it's actually most effective in stop-and-go traffic. The system accelerates and brakes more efficiently than humans, creating fuel savings up to 20% in congested conditions. The key? Set your following distance to maximum. This gives the system more room to gradually adjust speed rather than braking suddenly. Tested on identical commutes through rush hour traffic, this technique improved fuel economy from 22 miles per gallon to nearly 28 miles per gallon. Your car's computer outsmarts your right foot every single time. Use it where it matters most. And that's a wrap. Which of these driving secrets did you not know? And be honest, how many of them have you actually been ignoring? Let me know in the comments. I read every one. Before you go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more, click on our other videos. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.